to your left. Straight up. பின்னாடி கார் வந்து
ஸ்லோவா வாங்கப்பா.
இப்போ ஒன்றும் இல்லை, நீ
ஏதாவது பேசிட்டு வா. ஐ மீன் ஏதாவது பேசு இதுக்கு.
Park in Khasi and we are heading back to our hotel after eating an obscene amount of food. We just digested it with a pan. Though it wasn't the best pan, it's still good. So hopefully we'll go back to our hotel if they let us in at this time. And then we are just going to go sleep for a while. Because we have to be up early in the morning to go take a dip in the Ganga. So hopefully we'll get some sleep and then we'll wake up on time and then we'll take a dip and clear ourselves of our sins, whatever they may be. See you later, bye!
No, but I am so pleased that it all happened and it fell in its own place. We didn't plan for a long time for this trip, but it so happened so quickly within 2 weeks. And I feel very auspicious that on Diwali day we are going to have Ganga Snan in Kashi itself. So that itself is an auspicious what is that?
Occasion.
Event.
Event.
Happening in our life. So I feel very pleased and hope to come to Kashi quite often hereafter, because we feel Kashi is the place where we find our roots very much.